Hello my lovely kids. Great afternoon to one and all. Hope you all are well and fine at home. Today I am here to teach you maths. In maths class we are going to discuss about a new concept that is up and down. That is page number 28 to 30 in your book number 2. We will also do the activity of page number 91 that is related to up and down concept. Firstly, I'll tell you what is the meaning of up and down. These both words are position words. These position words shows the position of object. So up mean ऊपर and down mean नीचे. Now I'll show you some examples of up and down. I'll tell you example of thumb. This thumb is up and this is down. Up, down. Now I'll show you example of your hands. Hands are up, hands are down. Now I'll show you examples of up and down through this video. See this video carefully. Students, see the first example, the position of monkey and the boy. The position of monkey is up and the boy is standing down. So the monkey is up and boy is down. Now see the other example. There are a boy and a girl. Both are playing on the seesaw. When the boy is going up and girl is going down, and when the girl is going up, the boy is going down. Up, down, up, down. Now see the other example. There are two birds. One is mama bird and other is baby bird. Mama bird is down and baby bird is up. Baby bird is up and mama bird is down. Now see it carefully. There are two monkeys are playing on the slide. One is going up on the ladder and other is going down the slide. So one monkey is up on the ladder and other is down to the slide. Students, now we will learn about up and down concept from our book. This is book number 2, page number 28. Read aloud. Here is read aloud. Up, down. And there are some objects are given. See the first. This ball is up. This ball is down. See the position of balls. There are two balls are given. One is up on the stairs and one is down. एक बॉल कहाँ पे है? ऊपर है और दूसरी कहाँ पे है? नीचे. So the position of this ball is up and position of this ball is down. Up, down. Now see these arrows. There are two arrows are given. And the position of one arrow is going to up and one is towards down. So read it. This arrow is pointing up. This arrow is going up and pointing up. इसका point कहाँ जा रहा है? ऊपर की ओर. And this arrow is pointing down. And this arrow is going down. इसका point कहाँ जा रहा है? नीचे की ओर. So this arrow is pointing up and this arrow is pointing down. Now see this picture in this book. This kite is flying in the sky. So this is up and this is falling on the land. तो ये कहाँ पे गिरा हुआ है? Land पे and इसकी position क्या है? Down. This kite is up and this kite is down. The position of this kite is up and this kite is down. So, my dear students, you have to read page number 28 that is given on book number 2. Now we will do page number 29 in our book. Firstly, we will read the heading. Practice. Look at the pictures. Color the flowers facing up yellow. There are some flowers are given. See these flowers. There are 2 flowers are upward and 1 is downward. आपको 2 flowers को कलर करना है जिनका फेस ऊपर की ओर है. So we will fill yellow color in those flowers which faces are upward. जो ऊपर की ओर फेस वाले flowers हैं उनको हम येलो कलर करेंगे like this. Okay? You have to fill yellow color in both flowers. Those faces are upward. Like this. Now read this heading. Look at the pictures. Color the flowers facing down orange. There are 3 flowers are given, but you have to color those flowers which facing are downwards. We will fill here orange color like this. You have to color in one direction neatly. Don't go outside from the circle or lines. You have to fill orange color like this in both flowers which faces are downward. जिनका फेस नीचे की ओर है आपको उन दोनों flowers में ऐसे कलर करना है. Now we will do page number 30 in our book. Firstly we will read the heading. Look at the picture. Color the dress of the child who is up blue and the one who is down red. You can see 2 children are playing on the seesaw. The position of boy is up and the girl position is down. You have to fill blue color in the dress of child who is up. So we will fill blue color in the dress of child that is on the position up like this. You have to fill here blue color. Now you have to fill red color in the dress of girl because her position is down. We will fill red color in her dress like this. Students, you have to fill color like this on page number 30. Now we will do page number 91. This is an activity. Firstly, you have to write down your name and grade. You have to write here date. Now read it. Coloring up and down. Look at the picture. Color the ball that is up purple and one that is down orange. जो बॉल ऊपर है उसे पर्पल करना है, जो डाउन है उसे ऑरेंज करना है. There are 2 balls are given. One is up and one is down. You have to fill purple color in this ball. That's position is up. You have to fill here purple color. You have to fill orange color in that ball that's position is down. Do this activity on page 91. So students, what we have learnt in today's maths class? In maths class we have learnt today the concept of up and down. Up mean ऊपर, down mean नीचे. These both words are position words. These position words tell us about the position of an object. And I hope you understood the concept of up and down very well. And you can recognize the position of object that is up or that is down. I hope you will do it in your book very well at page number 28 to 30. And you have to do also activity of page number 91 that is related to up and down concept. So it's time to do activity in your book. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye students.